Hey y'all, I got some news, some bad news, but I'm out to eat right now. Gonna get some good food. I'm gonna tell y'all the bad news later, cause this is just beyond fucking me. Like,
big bag, big bag.
y'all, so I'm at this dealership right now, waiting on my dealership man to come because he didn't want to go get some food and shit. Should've told him give me some, but I'm waiting on him, and then we finna get this finished, this process finished. And y'all, I'm finna pull the fuck off in my whip. See how many you get here.
Those questions for the second half of the U.S. shows. Here, I have it. 1, 2, 2. All right, so I asked a few questions here. Alexa, say, just answer best as you can, I guess. So obviously, first time buying a car through Rustero, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then are you going to be keeping the car parked outside or out in the garage?
Garage.
Cool. With that, obviously you're not too far from us. You think you'll be servicing with Rustero, doing the maintenance and oil change and stuff like that? Okay. Do you have any idea how many miles a year you're going to be putting on the car on average?
I'll put the average that you
like
Google.
12,000. All right. How far from work do you have to drive on a daily basis?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah, there and back.
We'll put you on for like 12,000 a year.
Okay.
That's generally about average. So, how long do you think you're going to keep the car for?
As long as I can.
All right. Good answer. How long was your loan for?
I think 17 or 16.
Like 72, 60, 84 months, 7 years, 6 years, or 5 years?
Long the term?
Yeah.
60 months.
60? Okay. All right. What kind of payment did they have yet?
It's real good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
How much is it?
It's not bad.
Like 400, 500? I'm just asking to have information here so I can understand where you're at.
No, it's not that much.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
So let's get a longer term then. All right. Let's see. I feel like I missed a question. What are we?
I probably look a fucking fool outside this place, but I don't give a fuck. What he say? Not my round lift Uber, baby. Hold on.
Hey, pump the Glock, show me it work. Hey, the chopper get to shaking like it Ferguson. Just be patient till them pockets come. You can't come around the spot unless you trying to purchase something. A different killer.
Oh, is that a pistol out here? Quit fucking playing with the girl, like, period. Okay. So, time to go the fuck home. But I'm probably gonna pull up with my friend to get my motherfucking charger. Even though it ain't no point because this is not a C charger. So, home we go. I'm so fucking excited. I'm tired as fuck, but I'm excited as fuck too, so bear with me on the energy. See y'all when I get home. When he done, I'm going to sleep. Make the 20, you can match that. This is so amazing. I forgot the oat milk, but it's still freaking good. I get to do what the fuck I want when I want. Like, that's the most exciting part about having a freaking car. I'm sorry that it's blurry. Let me get myself together. Get the heat popping. She said people be sick when they remember all the bad they wished you. Wait, she said people will love you and support you when it's beneficial. I'ma forgive, I won't forget, but I'ma dead the issue. Soon as you at the little lives, is when they start to miss you. They see you doing good, now it's kinda hard to dish you. People be sick when they remember all the bad they wish you. But they be mad when they can't come and live lavish with you. But I spit off in a Benzie. You see the envy when I'm causing a frenzy. Saw pop pills on them. I don't, but cop cribs and the hills on them for real. Like, I'm so happy I got my shit. This is my new car gift to myself, cause I can't put it all the way, but yeah, cause this is my new car gift. Like, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can back up with you right here, cause should know that was a bad idea. I look cute, skin look good. It just needs to be done, but I can put y'all right there. Come on, man. Oh, I'm over that little hump. That's what happened. But I'm trying to get... Okay. Why did I park right here? My car little, but it's still like... Gotta do all this to get the fuck out. Ooh. I don't know. Car got sports mode too. I be accidentally putting that bitch in sports mode sometimes. They got all these little dips and hips on it. But yeah, I'm finna go home. I'm finna actually hit it home because I'm freaking tired. I ain't gonna lie, I might throw a little milk in it when I get home and then mix it up more because that do need a little milk. But I'm leaving Starbucks and I'm gonna be back when I see y'all. And this vlog has been trash. Like, this been a course of days on days, like over a week of random days in my life. So yeah, let me go ahead and go. I love... I'm gonna cry. Not as sprinkling. Yeah, I don't even need it on that bad because it's not even raining for real. But yeah, let me get up. I don't even think I'm going the right way. Hold on. So yeah, I came to my granny house. Kids, granny in the back. Wait, I did scooter all the way over.
Kitty Lexi, look, I'm on the video. Wait.
I guess he didn't want to say it on camera. Period. I got my little nephew. What the hell? My niece.
I got a new tablet.
Yeah, she's showing off her tablet and recording us. Recording on recording. Yeah, she gonna be a YouTuber one day.
2 of us recording.
It is. You gonna be right back? Okay.
Look, you can see your phone.
In the camera, yep.
Yeah.
Boom.
That's crazy.
But I was stopped over here after Starbucks because I wanted to. I'm tired. I'm tired. Here.
Hey, it's me and TT Lexi. And me and Raymond. No. Say hi. And